Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Mehboob. Chapter Polynomial, Class 10. Topic is finding the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. So our topic is find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. Okay, verify the zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. So my question is a polynomial, suppose p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. We have to find out the zeros and also verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. How to find the zeros, student? X square minus 2x minus 8. This is the quadratic polynomial. The first step, we should take the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Yes, 1 is the coefficient of x square. Here the 1 should multiply with constant. 1 into minus 8 is equal to what? Minus 8. This is the first step. What is the middle number? Middle integer is minus 2. So we have to split minus 2 into two factors, into two parts. If we add those two, we will get minus 2. If we multiply these two, we will get minus 8. Okay, we should take two number, minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 and minus into plus minus 4 to the what? 8. So in place of minus 2x, we should have to write minus 4x plus 2x. X square minus 2x means we should write minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Here we have the four terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Among these two and among these two, we have to take what is a common term. The first one is the x common. X common means in x square, x into x. 1x common means 1x we will get inside. X common means what we have? Minus 4. Next 2 plus 2 and minus 8 plus 2 common. 2 common means what we have? X only. Plus into minus minus. And 2 table when come 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So we have x minus 4 same. We should have to write one time. And x plus 2 also we should write one time, which means x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 also equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 4, x plus 2 also is equal to 0, plus 2 comes to right hand side, it becomes minus 2. So we have two zeros, one 0 is 4, another 0 is minus 2. So how to verify the relationship? The first one, student, we have to find the sum of 0 is equal to, we have a formula, minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. This is the formula. Sum of 0 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Sum means we have to add these two, minus 2 plus, what is the next number? 4 is equal to minus coefficient of x. In this equation, what is the coefficient of x? Yes, minus 2 is the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x square? Yes, 1. So which means minus 2 upon 1. We have to write minus 2 upon 1. 4 minus 2 is 2, minus into minus plus 2 upon 1 is 2 only. LHS is equal to RHS. Next we should write product of 0. Product of 0 is equal to constant upon coefficient of x square. Product means what? Multiplication. So we have to multiply. Minus 2 into 4 is equal to constant. What is the constant in this expression? Minus 8. And what is the x square coefficient is 1. So minus 8 upon 1. Plus into minus minus 2 4 is 8 is equal to minus 8. So both LHS is equal to RHS. This is a verified. One more question we will take. Here the variable is different. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Next question. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. The same procedure, student. Whatever square coefficient, we have to multiply with the constant. 4 into 1. 4 ones are what, ma? 4. Middle term again is split into 2. If we add or subtract, it will be minus 4. If we multiply, it will be plus 4. How to write? Minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2, minus 2 what? Minus 4. Minus into minus plus 2 to the what? 4. So we have to replace minus 4s. Instead of this, we have to write minus 2s, minus 2s. Let us see. 4s square minus 2s plus 1. We have to replace this and write these two. 4s square minus 2s. What is a common? 4 and 2, 2 common. Okay, clear? S square s common. So in 2 table when come 4, 2 2s are 4. S into how much? S square, S into S. That's why we have to write this. Means 2S into 2S what? 4S square minus, already 2S common means what we write here? 1. Because 2S, 1s are 2S. Next sign we will say minus and plus. What is a common? Minus 1 is a common means negative become positive and positive becomes negative. Here we have same 2s minus 1. We should write one time, which is equal to 0. The second one 2s minus 1 also equal to what? 0. Minus 1 we will send RHS, it will become plus 1 and S is equal to 1 by 2. Here also 2s is equal to plus 1 and s is equal to what? 1 by 2. We have 2 0, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. What is the formula? Sum of 0 is equal to minus coefficient of, previous case we had learned x square, but here in this expression variable s. So we should write coefficient of s square by coefficient minus coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. Minus coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. So sum of 0 we have to add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus coefficient of s. What is the coefficient of s? Minus 4. What is the coefficient of s square? Plus 4. Minus 4 upon plus 4. Minus 4 upon plus 4. Clearly we can say that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, half plus half is 1. Yes, of course 1. Minus into minus plus. In mathematics, same by same means 4 upon 4, what? 1. So LHS is equal to RHS. Next product of 0 is equal to constant upon coefficient of s square. So product means multiplication 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to constant. What is the constant here? 1 is the constant and what is the s square coefficient? 4. We can say 1 upon 4. 1 1 is a 1, 2 2 is a 4, 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. LHS is equal to RHS, verified. This is our second problem. So one more question we will take. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. The question is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. First of all, student, every quadratic polynomial, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. But here x square, then constant, then x term means we have to rewrite. If we rewrite means first x square, what next term is 7x, next lastly minus 3. Same procedure, coefficient of x square multiply with constant. 6 into minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 18. What is the middle one? Middle one is minus 7. We should select any two. If we add or subtract, it will be minus 7. If we multiply those two, it will be minus 18. Okay, we can say minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 and minus 2 plus minus 9 to the what? 18. So minus 7x is split into two parts. Minus 9x plus 2x. Okay, we should write here 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. 6 and 9, what is a common? 3 is a common factor. X square x is a common. So 3 table when comes 6, 3 2s are 6. X square x common mean x. And 3 table when come 9, 3 3s are what? 9. Among these two plus and minus, 1 is common. So 1 into 2x, 1 3s are 3. Both are same. So 2x minus 3 same. We should write one time. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And the second one, 3x plus 1 also equal to 0. So minus 3 comes to RHS, become plus 3. And x is equal to what? 3 upon 2. Here also, plus 1 comes to RHS, minus 1. What is x value? Minus 1 by 3. So we have these two values. Then verify the relationship. Relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, what is the formula, sir? Sum of 0 is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So we have to add. The first 0 is 3 by 2, second 0 is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 7. What is the coefficient of x square? Plus 6. So we should write minus 7 upon plus 6. So student, what is the denominator? 3 and 2 multiply. 3 into t. 3 into 2. Cross multiplication. 2 into 1. 3 into 3. 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3. Is equal to minus into minus plus 7 by 6. Plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. 3 2s are 6. Is equal to 7 upon 6. LHS is equal to what? RHS. Similarly, product of 0. What is the formula product? Product is equal to constant upon coefficient of x square. So what are the two zeros? 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 is equal to constant. What is the constant here? Minus 3. And here coefficient of x square 6. Minus 3 upon 6. 3 3 cancel here. Multiplication and minus 1 by 2. Here 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are cancelled. So minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is a relationship between the zeros and quadratic polynomial coefficients. Okay, I hope you understood my today video. So I request to everyone like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.